Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Simran and today in this video I'll discuss with you writing task 1. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So the question for today is the chart below shows the proportion of staff employed by age in the public sector in the UK in 2015 and 2010. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So we are given this graph in which the staff is employed by their age in the government sector. Means in the public sector they are employed in 2005 and 2010. Sorry, it's 2015 and 2020. So we can see under 21, those who are under 21, there 14% of the people were employed as in government sectors, 23 for the age 21 to 30, and the ratio increased by 10% after 5 years. And for this it decreased minimally by 2%. And if we talk about 31 to 40, 21% were employed in the government sector and the ratio plunged by 10% after 5 years. And for the age 41 to 50, 19% of employees were employed when were working in government sector and the ratio increased by almost 10. We can say 19 plus 10 is 29, so nearly 10 we can say. We can't say that it's by 10, nearly 10. So the age 15 also the ratio plunged and reached to 16% after 5 years. Now the rendered pie charts depict the ratio of workers in government sector for different age group in the year 2015 and 2020. Overall it is conspicuous from the graph, means clear from the graph, that the people of 21 to 30 age category were highly employed in both years and the ratio of golden ages was identical to them in 2015. So the people of 21 to 30 age category were highly employed in both the years. Let's see, the people of 21 to 30 are, yes, they are highly employed in this year and in this year also, 33% and 23%. And we are also saying that the people of the golden age means old age people of the year 2015, the ratio was identical to them, means 23%. Explicitly means clearly the proportion of employees of the age 21 to 30 and 41 to 50 soared exorbitantly, means increased exorbitantly by almost 10%, accounted to 23% and 19% respectively in 2015 and reached to 33% and 28% simultaneously. Means the ratio increased by 10%, almost 10%, because here it is 23 to 33, this is exactly 10, but in this case it is almost 10%. That's why we are writing almost 10%. And we have also shared the ratio that it was 23 and 19% in 2015 for the age 21 to 30, 23%, 41 to 50, 19%, and it reached to 33%, 28% respectively, means simultaneously, means respectively. In 2015, 14% of young people under the age 21 worked for the government. By 2020, the percentage dropped by 2%. We have discussed that it was 14% and it dropped by 2% and reached to 12%. The ratio of government employees between the age 31 to 40 was 21% in 2015, which fell considerably by 10% and after 5 years. Okay, so after 5 years, what happened? The ratio fell considerably by 10%. That means it reached to 11% in 2020. So let's see, yes, it was 21% in 2015 and it reached to 11% in the after 5 years. Now lastly, 23% of senior citizens were recruited in public sector and the ratio reduced to 16% in 2020. So this was for today. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.